Welcome back to the channel. Since it's Ghana month, let's honor it by making one of Ghana's favorite and most comforting dish, chicken light soup, also known as Akoko Nkwan. This soup is rich, flavorful, and very nutritious. It's perfect for cold weather when you are feeling under the weather or simple when you want something warm and comforting. Let's get started. I started by cleaning my chicken thoroughly. For this recipe, I'm using hen, also known as hard chicken, which is perfect for making this soup because it adds a deeper flavor to the broth. To clean the chicken, I use some warm water, some lemon, salt, and distilled white vinegar. This helps remove any impurities whilst also refreshing the chicken before cooking. Once the chicken is properly cooked, it's ready for the next step. For the grilling of the chicken, I use my air fryer. You can use the oven or you can use crock pot as we normally use back home. Grilling the chicken before adding it into the soup helps bring out the smoky flavor and nice texture. So please don't omit that part. It also helps tenderize the meat and add a rich flavor to the broth. Very important. Because we are using hard chicken, these steps really helps develop that deep traditional flavor and makes light soup so delicious. After grilling, I transfer the chicken into a pot together with the broth. Adding the broth is very important because it carries all those delicious flavors from the chicken. Next, I added some chopped onion, green marinade, all purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, dry oregano, and black pepper. Anytime I'm cooking my chicken, I make sure I add the oregano. Okay. Next, I mix everything very well to combine. This stage is where the seasoning of the soup happens. So make sure everything is well mixed, and that is the salty parts of your cooking. Now I cover the pot and allow the chicken to cook. I let it cook, and whilst the chicken was cooking, I showed and prepared vegetable that we'll be using for this recipe, which is some tomatoes, carrots, habanero pepper, orange and red bell peppers. These vegetables helps build the natural flavor of the soup and also make it very nutritious. One thing I love about this recipe is that it's very simple yet packed with flavors. You can also feel free to add any vegetables or seasoning of your choice. Remember, as I always say, you do you, you add and omit any seasoning of your choice. When the broth or around the chicken started to thicken slightly, that is the perfect time to add your vegetables. So I added all the vegetables into the pot and cover it to cook. This steps helps the vegetables soften and release their natural sweetness, which will enhance the flavor of the soup. After 5 to 10 minutes, the vegetables have softened beautifully. Then I remove them and blend them until smooth. Blending the vegetable helps create that rich, flavorful base that makes chicken light soup so delicious. Once blended, I add the mixture back into the chicken. If you've been watching me till now, why don't you subscribe to join the family? Happy Independence Day to all my Ghanaian viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really do enjoy reading your comments. Like, share, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Because we are using hard chicken, I add enough water to cook the chicken properly. Then I cover the pot and allow it to continue simmering. As the soup cooks, the flavor continue to develop and the broth become even richer. It's been cooking now for 20 to 30 minutes and I came back to check on the soup, and at this stage is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasoning and salt if needed. After adjusting the seasoning, I cover the pot again and allow it to simmer. You know the soup is ready when the oil starts to sit on top or arises on the surface, just like that. And this is the right time to add your basil leaf if you wanna add it into that. They call it kowe or scented leaf back in Ghana. So this is the right time to add it and add more fragrance to the soup. And just like that, our chicken light soup is ready. Akoko Nkwan de any fufu na eko. And if you've been watching me till now, you know I'm definitely gonna eat fufu with the soup. Okay, this delicious soup can be enjoyed with rice, fufu, banku, or any side of your choice. And to all my Ghanaian viewers and subscribers, happy Independence Day. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed me till now, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ramadan Mubarak.